Can-Am Defender winch headache rack. If you're a hunter, if you're a farmer, anything like that, this is going to be your new best friend. What's really cool about this is you can do the quad row 3-inch light cubes to give you that extra lighting. If you're working the farm at night or just need some extra lighting, you can customize the inner MOLLE webbing right here to match the color of your machine. So if you wanted blue, purple, red, we do all that under one roof. You still have the ability to tilt your bed with the headache rack, and you have the upper winch. Easy access to use your winch. All you have to do is use the switch right here, pulling up any game or anything like that in the bed. Instead of using the switch that's all the way up in the front, now it's right at your fingertips. Check it out on the website, thumperfab.com. Find a dealer near you. I'll see you on the trails.